Hi guys, I'm Raunak. John Cena shocked the WWE Universe by aligning with The Rock after the 2025 Elimination Chamber PLE. John Cena won a shot at Cody Rhodes at WrestleMania 40 pay-per-view with his Chamber victory. Even with that big accomplishment, the leader of C Nation opted to align with one of his most hated rivals instead of continuing under his usual heroic mantra. The massive character shift was certainly a polarizing move from one of the wrestling's most polarizing stars. While it stands as an extremely intriguing move, John Cena's heel turn is a bad idea for the next 5 reasons. So in this video, I'll mention top 5 reasons why John Cena's heel turn in WWE is a bad idea. So let's get started without wasting any time. While putting himself into the Elimination Chamber pay-per-view match was met with mixed reactions, his reasoning wasn't completely outrageous. John Cena has been a selfless WWE employee for decades, so it was time that company paid him back. John Cena entered the Chamber match 5th out of 6 competitors, also helping his cause to win. Had he entered last and done a sixth of the work, his win wouldn't have been met with as much fanfare. The Rock didn't win the Chamber match scenario. Big names like Drew McIntyre, CM Punk, and Logan Paul questioned how Cena simply put himself into the Chamber match instead of qualifying for it. The Scottish Warrior also brought up how his retirement tour was more of an absentee invader since Cena appeared as much as Roman Reigns. Commentators, especially Michael Cole, have been adamant that whatever heels like McIntyre and Kevin Owens say is a lie because they are delusional. He discounts that any of their words have contained threads of truth. Now they have been proven somewhat true by doubting John Cena. Will they get some apologies or an admission that they weren't completely off the rails as they were portrayed to be? This isn't to say Drew McIntyre and Kevin Owens should be completely absolved of everything they have done. But what they have said, however, is another matter. 2025 is supposed to be John Cena's last year as an active WWE superstar. He is one of the most beloved stars of all time, even if he was extremely polarizing during the height of his time atop the company. Announcing his last year set a certain standard of what WWE fans expected to see during the final moments of his illustrious career. His quest to win that elusive last title would have been an emotional journey with WWE fans rooting for John Cena like they did during his ascent 2 decades ago. This isn't to say his heel turn has no potential. During so in his final year of competition, however, feels like making up for a missed opportunity during the height of his career. The Rock was one of many obstacles Cody Rhodes had to overcome to finish his story. He defeated Roman Reigns despite bloodline rules, constant interference, and The Rock throwing his weight around as a TKO board member. Even with all that at Tribal Chief's disposal, he still lost the undisputed WWE title to the American Nightmare. Roman Reigns would still be champion or would have lost his spot at a later date. John Cena isn't even the champion, so aligning with the final boss isn't a guarantee that he will capture his 17th world championship. John Cena's legacy is that of a hero who people of all ages can look up to. He's always done the right thing and lived up to his hustle, loyalty, and respect mantra that adorns his merchandise. Since 2025 will be the last year of his WWE career, it will probably be how most WWE fans remember him. That will now be as a heel who sold out his soul to The Rock for one last shot at title victory. The whole "what have you done for me lately" phrase applies since athletes and performers are only as good as their last performances. Going out as a heel may leave a bad taste in WWE fans' mouths. So guys, do you like this version of John Cena? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, then leave a like, hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and share this video with your friends, relatives, and with your members. Thanks for watching this one. I'll be back with an interesting video. See ya.